Hello, I am Victor Moreland, and I am currently making this screencast for nursing informatics. I chose the topic for this project. I wanted to actually go with the nursing informatics versus quality of care. Is this a problem? Is it improving to our nursing duties? So basically, what I want to cover is for me, my personal opinion and most of the opinions that I've received from my peers has been like, it's a good thing. There is an advantage to it because you have more easy access to different things, but it's a real downfall when it comes to the time consuming and the safety of the patients because a lot of nurses are really focused on charting into the computer and making sure everything is documented versus, taking quality of care of our patients. When I first started as a nurse, it was 10 years ago, and we had we had paper charting, and that's just what we utilized. And it just seems to run a lot smoother like that. But so basically, what I'm going to do for my paper and for my projects coming up is I'm going to definitely talk about the disadvantages of informatics versus the advantages, and talk about the interference of quality of care, patient care, based on the documentation load that is expected with all of these different, within these different facilities. So I think it's a good topic. I think it's really relevant to the class because pretty much all of our case studies and our projects are very much focused on this. So I think that it's going to be a great project. Thank you so much.